Hey YouTubers, I'm going to do a video on molding toolpath examples. Okay, we're in Aspire and we're looking at the help screen. If you press at the top of your page there where it says help, if you press on that, this is what opens up. And if you scroll down here and look right here, this is the molding toolpath. If you click on that, you'll have a screen up and you can see your toolpath here. It tells you what to do, how to choose the cross section, how to choose the drive rail, how to reverse the drive, how to clear the drive rail, how to choose the cross section, and there's a lot of other different things like the vary the step over, what it means, skip flat regions, using a larger area clearance tool, machine the flat regions, ramp plunge, machining allowance, create sharp corners. There's a lot of information here. And I've drawn a line down the side of my the project wood, or whatever you want to call it. And this line, we're going to call this the rail. And we're going to come over here and select the molding toolpath. We're going to leave things as they are here. And we have a cross section up here. We're going to select this rail that I have drawn there. And number 2, we're going to select the cross section. All right, you see these orange lines here. All right, we're going to calculate. And there's our molding toolpath. So you need the rail and you need the cross section. The cross section of your of the molding path that you want to use. And I don't know if you can see mine. Let's see, maybe I can get this larger and I'll deselect it. Okay, you can see it there. It was just an example that I just quickly drew up just to, you know, you'll have to draw an example to scale, and this can't be longer than this. The wood that you're going to fashion this on, and the height. This from this area here down to here, to the lowest part, it cannot exceed the thickness of your wood, or else you'll get the program will complain. Okay, this is going to be called molding toolpath examples. And the molding toolpath is right here. And if you select that, this screen will open up. And it has to have a drive rail and a cross section. We'll explain how to do the cross section a little later on in the video. But for now, we'll just select this. This will be the drive drive rail, and you press shift and select the cross section. Now these little green dots here, you can reverse the direction of your drive rail or your cross section if you need to. And I'm sure I'll demonstrate that as we go along. Okay, we go over here and we're all set up. We're going to vary the step over. We're going to leave everything else blank. We're going to calculate. Go to, this is our toolpath that we get. Okay, we're going to go back to the 2D. We're going to select the other side here. First we need to select another molding toolpath. And then we're going to select this other side. I'm getting a little interference here. It makes a considerable amount of difference to which one you choose first. Okay. Okay, there's our outer ring, if you want to call it. Now we'll take this one step further. We're going to this time we're going to select 2 rails. We're going to use our same profile here. Okay, and this is going to sweep this way. Okay, there we have 2. Yeah, we're going to go back again. We'll open up the second one. Going to select 2 rails. And we're going to select our cross section. Calculate. There we are there. We'll take it one more little further. We'll go back to the first profile. We'll start all over again. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. Our cross section. No gap. Okay, there's that side. Go back to the 2D drawing. We'll open up that profile. And we're going to re-choose things here. There's the first one, the second one, the third one, the cross section, no gap, calculate. Reset the preview. Okay, there we are. Now we'll take this one step further. We're going to bring this in. It's just another circle, and this one is solid. We're going to center it. Okay, I'm going to bring this in. I'm going to select that. I'm going to go up to the modeling toolpath, the create vector boundary around selected component. Okay. Now, go to our component tree, and that's set for 0.1 and a base height of 0.18. We'll close that. We can go to the finishing toolpath, and I've selected a 0.125 ball nose, model boundary, calculate, and we can preview that. And to clean that up a little bit more, what we're going to do is go to the pocket toolpath, leave that right where it is. We're going to go down, we'll start at 0, 0, and we're going to go down to 0.28. And I want to select this outer circle, and we have our boundary offset chosen. Calculate, reset the preview, and preview all toolpath. There, that's just a little something that that'll give you an idea what the molding toolpath is capable of. And let's see, we'll go back to the drive rail. This drive rail was derived from just a circle. And we'll draw a circle. 1.5, okay. Close. We'll get this circle over here where we can work on it. And we don't want it right on top of it. Okay, you select the circle, like I'm doing right now. Press N on the keyboard for node edit. And what I did is, I'll do it in 2 steps so you'll understand it. I cut the vector, I went to 3 o'clock, and I cut that vector, and then this part here I deleted. I went back up here and I did the node edit again, and I chose this right here and I cut this vector. Go back to the keyboard, press N to get out of node editing. I chose the red part to delete, and that was my cross rail. And how I arrived at the dimensions, I took my measuring tool, came over here, and I measured the distance from there to there. It's 1.2 inches. And that was the size of my circle, 1.2 inches. And so that I didn't drive all the way down deeper than needed to be, that's why I cut that where I did. It was just an experiment. So you can do what you want. You can try doing the whole 180 degrees, or you can, chop it somewhere else. Whatever you think.
Okay, YouTubers, that concludes our examples of the molding toolpath. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you are interested in following me, subscribe. But anyway, let me know in the comments how you feel. All right, thanks for watching.